Welcome back, Kevin from Cross Country Garage. Hey, I want to say this. We need more subscribers. Hit the subscribe button. You can like it as well. Anyway, we're working on the Scion XB. And, well, I took some of the hot mess out and, well, on myself. But I came back, I kind of wanted to show what I did. So let me explain what happened here. We have 2004 Scion XB that we're working on the channel. Check out those videos. We're fixing it up. The driver's side window lift motor, power window motor, they call it a lift motor, crapped out. So it's located right behind here. And this is the old one right here, which mounts right in here. And the stock plug is, I don't have 10 hands, is right there. Where the new one is in right now, and it comes with a lead coming off it, and you can just plug it into this. So you could get these new motors separate or get it with the lift mechanism. It's actually cheaper to get it with the lift mechanism off eBay. I got this for $55 for the whole thing shipped, and it was here in about 5 days. So I didn't use that mechanism. Let me explain here. It pretty much mounts up like this, utilizing those bolts right behind it. And then it has the diagonal bar that bolts right here. I put those in on other cars, and it just turns into a mess. The window wants to start falling down. It just gets all crazy because you got to unbolt the track here and here, hold the glass up maybe with some tape or whatever, or it's gonna come slamming down. So what I did was I unbolted the motor off of the lift mechanism first, which utilized a 8mm ratchet wrench. So I had to get my arm in there, and then I had my other arm in here, which got stuck 2 different times. And I took the 3 bolts out, got it in my hand. Then I took the other one off of there, which has Phillips head screws. I opted out on using those because it's much easier to tighten things in the door when you're like this than using the Phillips, and then you could get it tighter. So that's how I did it. And then you got to get it wiggled onto the gear mechanism. That's why I took it off here first, because I wanted to get the feel of where it was. And I actually did take this off, the new one off of that mechanism, halfway through taking this off, because I wanted to keep my arm in there, pull the one out, put it on the floor, grab the other one while I kept one of the bolt locations with my finger so I could get it located in there. It is a little bit of a chore to get it lined up. You may test your patience a little bit, but it is a lot easier than changing the whole lift mechanism. These mechanisms I don't think really go bad. If they do, it's the bushings, usually not any of the mechanics of it. So, but you use your discretion on that. And then the door panel, there's a screw in the little hand pull pocket. You got to pop this off. There's a screw there, and then there's a screw right in there around the corner, and then you just pop these out. There's little clips, and then this releases off of the lock mechanism, and you basically just pull it right up and off. Real easy, especially because I didn't have all the screws on mine, but I did add some back. So, and yeah, you know what? While your door panel's off, if your speaker's bad, replace it. I mean, this one works, but just food for thought here. That's basically how to do that, and it's not hard. I did it in probably about a half hour, but I'll probably tell my girlfriend it took about 3 hours, and my back hurts, my feet hurt, everything needs to be rubbed. Yeah, 3 hours. Anyway, I am going to, when I shut this off, when this did plug in, it's not too loose, but I am going to put a little electrical tape on there, or you could actually use a zip tie, go between the wires and go wrap around once and then zip tie it. But I don't know, I may just use tape. And that's about it. So hope you enjoy the video. We're gonna have much more to come on this XB, including some more of this plastic dip removal. We have some spray to use, and we're going to be getting into some paint too eventually, so there's a lot more fun to be seen with this. So check it out. Like, share, subscribe. Take care, guys.